Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a night routine. Excuse my hair, but this is going to be a self-care vlog style night routine. As you can see, my room is very messy. It is currently 20 to 6 in the afternoon or evening. I got home like half an hour ago maybe. I've just been sorting out, like taking my rubbish down and kind of tidying my room a little bit. I've still got more to tidy. So I'm just gonna show you what a chilled like self-care night routine would look like. So now, because my hair is really greasy and needs to be washed, I'm thinking I'm gonna take a bath later on, but first I'm gonna do a deep conditioning in my hair because it is very dry and damaged. So I'm gonna give it some love, and for that I'm gonna be using the Body Shop Rainforest Moisture hair mask. I'm also listening to a really good podcast, but it's in Swedish, I think. Is it? Yeah, it is. Sorry. It's a serial murder. What? It's a podcast about serial killer called Israel Keys. When I do hair masks, I usually do with coconut oil because that's like natural and good. But today I don't have any coconut oil. First part is just to brush through my hair, and now I'm just gonna add it to the lengths of my hair. Probably gonna need more than this. I'm actually gonna add it as far as like up to here. Hopefully this will make my hair nice and shiny. I just posted a video today, so I just need to fix some links for that video that I haven't already fixed. Tomorrow I'm gonna go and see if I can start my Spanish 2 course soon, because I just want to get it over and done with, you know. Okay, so now my hair's like this. I'm gonna put it up in a scrunchie. Oh, kill me. No, I hate myself for saying that. I don't have a scrunchie. I'm just gonna put it in a little bun. There we go. So I'm gonna put my podcast on now and like continue tidying my room a little bit, because when my room is tidy I feel most at peace and productive, and it just makes me feel good. Okay,
my strawberry kisses, I go fly.
just gonna fill my water up, stay hydrated. So I've just been fixing with some YouTube stuff like collaborations, and I've been just chilling in my bed watching some YouTube, and now I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna go make some dinner, or maybe we have dinner at home. I'm not quite sure. Also, if you're wondering where my case is from, it's from Paradise. I have a coupon code that I can put on the screen, and also a link to it. It's really good. I've had it on my phone for weeks and I'm not planning on taking it off anytime soon, because it's got like, you know, when cases like stand out from the screen, so like even if I drop it the screen won't break. It's, what's it called, silicone, is that the word? But it's like a soft case, so it doesn't crack and break. I just feel like this is really protective, and I really love the color. It's like lilac or light blue. I don't quite know. So I'm in my kitchen right now and I look bored, so welcome to the bored club. But I found this in my fridge and I feel like I want to do this and be lazy and just like have some toast with cheese on it. I know, cheese. I'm not a vegan, guys. I am a vegetarian, but I'm sorry, please don't come at me.
I tried.
I'm gonna have this tomato and mozzarella soup. It just sounds amazing. And toast some bread to have with it, because that sounds delish and I'm too lazy to cook right now. So, but I'm gonna make myself some lemon tea, because I still feel a bit in my throat, like my throat is a little bit sore, and I was sick last week with a really bad cold and I just don't want it again. So I'm gonna prep up with some C vitamins. I always press half a fresh lemon, and sometimes I have some ginger as well, so I'm gonna see if we've got that. Yeah, we've got some ginger. Wait, is that mould? I bloody well hope not. Oh my god, that must be mozzarella, right? Yeah, that's mozzarella. Oh my god, you just scared me. Today's dinner. Very, very lazy, but it actually looks good. And look at this little Christmas mug, isn't that so cute? Now I'm just gonna watch some TV and eat food. Pointless. So I'm now gonna run my bath. I'm just gonna pick out what I want from my Lush box. So this is my little, or not so little, Lush collection. I used this bubble bar last time, it made it pink. I might use this bath bomb and some of this bubble bar. Don't know which one this is, but it smells really good. Wow, it's pink. So I just lit a few candles and this is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to do like a little hair care / pamper routine. This is the shampoo I use, Hello Wave Curl Defining. And then I've got this silver conditioner just to keep the yellow tones out of my hair. I've got this Lush avocado wash which is really moisturizing, which I also use when I shave my legs. And then this is for my face. I've got my Illuminate moisturizing facial wash, and I'm also going to be doing that face mask. And I've got my laptop on this little stool here, so I'm going to be watching some YouTube and just like some reality and chilling. I've got all the lights lit now and it's super cozy. Oh, it's a bit hot. This always happens. Okay guys, we're in the bath and I can't believe my hair looks like this. It was the biggest mistake ever to just cut my bangs by myself. Because as you guys know, I asked you on Instagram what I should do with my hair and everyone said bangs. So I was like, I'm just gonna do it myself. I'm not the person to have bangs because I'm too lazy to style my hair. Like, what do I do with this? Like, I've always wanted bangs, but I think if I get them, I need to get them at a hairdresser's and my hairdresser needs to show me how to style them. Let's wash my face and put the face mask on. And my hair's all crusty because I've still got the deep conditioner in. I'm gonna put this series on now. I love that it's pink, but you can't see it. Okay, now you can see the pink. So as my face mask, I've been using this one recently, Formula 1006. This video is not sponsored in any way, shape or form, but this is Pores Be Pure Skin Clarifying Mud Mask. Strawberry plus yarrow. Do not know what yarrow. It's good for clogged pores, which I do definitely have, and I just love the consistency of this. Honestly, that's why I use it. Like, I'm rubbish at seeing any difference when I do skincare, but I mean, look at that, guys. There we go. Now we play. Okay, I'll come back to you when it's time to wash my hair. So yeah, this is my purple shampoo that I've got in my hair right now. No, my purple conditioner. I'm just gonna wait for this like 5 minutes and then I'm probably gonna get out of the bath, to be honest. So the lighting is absolutely horrific here, but it's time to finish my skincare routine. Just got out of the bath. So I've washed my face and done a face mask. Now I'm gonna do a toner. Okay, my camera's about to die, but I'm gonna use my Illuminate clarifying toner. And this is for normal and combination skin. So I do have combination skin, but when I went to get a facial, the lady said I should use things for dry skin, or like things that will moisturize my skin. And now I come here, I don't know what to use first. This is the Ordinary Blemish Formula. I think I'm supposed to use that after my serum, and this is also from Lumine, and this is Arctic Dew. They're just really like moisturizing. I just really like this brand. I can try and link some stuff below. I love things that you can just like droplet on your face. I think it's super satisfying. And my skin gets so dry in the winter months, especially in my T-zone. I've heard that you're supposed to pat in serum. Just gonna let that set a little. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. I haven't used this for a while because I think it's a little bit drying. It's Blemish Formula. I'm just gonna put some on my spot right there and on any like trouble areas I have. So just a little bit and not in my dry areas. Now I'm gonna head in my room and wait for this to set, and then I'm gonna just moisturize my face and show you my hair care routine. Just got changed into my pajamas, which is my merch top. I don't think it's for sale anymore, guys. Don't know what's happened. My manager like won't contact me, so there's that little problem. But yeah, anyway, it just says whatever, it's not important, my camera's gonna die soon. So I'm gonna moisturize my face with this. I've been using this like the whole of this year, and I think it's working really well. It's just like from the Swedish like pharmacy, and it's for dry skin. And then for my hair, so the tip for my curly hair like routine, this is when I want it curly. Some days I can't be bothered, because when I want it curly, it's important not to brush it. So when I get out the shower, I just like section my hair how I usually have it. These two are the only two products I use after. So I also have the Naughty 97% Natural Wave Hello, and this is also vegan, and it's got no parabens, blah blah blah, sulfates or silicones. So yeah, it's a curl defining taming cream, so it's for curly and wavy hair, and I think this is working really well. It's also vegan. And then I've got this in Ecto Coconut Divine Shine Hair Oil. Basically any hair oil that's cruelty free or vegan will do, just to get the shine back in your hair. Also my vlog camera died, which is why I'm using my big camera, if you guys are wondering. You're supposed to use this first. So I take like maybe that much and rub it between my hands, and then I will go like this, scrunch upwards. Scrunching is important all over my hair, and don't be afraid to take it a bit higher up if you have like very curly or wavy hair that gets dry. Like, it's fine. It's not gonna make it greasy. So I just scrunch in the back. Try and evenly distribute the product. Like, if I feel like I've not got enough, I will add some more. I actually really love this stuff. This is like the same line as the shampoo I just used. I don't know what this video is. This was just going to be like a regular self-care night routine in my life, but now I'm just showing you my whole skincare routine, my whole like hair routine and everything. There's like a 3-in-1. And yeah, just the most important part is to scrunch your hair and not brush it. Basically just leave it like this until it's dry. I naturally have like curly hair. It's just that I don't know why my hair hasn't got curly until this period of my life. It's always been like kind of wavy and curly, but I've always bleached my hair. It's damaged it so much, so like the curls go away. And I've always kind of like wanted to brush my hair when it's semi-dry, so I've never really embraced the curls like I do like to do now. I even sometimes dip my head upside down and do it. But yeah, now it's time for the coconut hair oil. I really love this because it smells so good. You can see I've used like half of it up. I do the same with this. Scrunch it through my hair. I'll even turn upside down. And yeah, I do this in towel dried hair, guys, so your hair's not supposed to be dripping, because then the product won't stick. It's got to be like towel dried. And a tip is to scrunch your hair dry with a t-shirt rather than a towel, because the towels will be quite rough on your hair. There we go. So now I'm done with my hair. All I have to do for my hair now is just to sit and wait until it dries, basically. So that's done. And then between washes I'll add more hair oil because my hair normally gets quite dry in the ends. And then I'm gonna add this body lotion from Lush. This is Calicas. Really love this stuff. It smells amazing and the colour is so cool. It's so moisturising. Insane. And on a pamper routine, I will normally, I can't see if I'm in focus right now, but I will normally also fake tan. But since I just shaved my legs, I'm not going to fake tan tonight. I'll wait till like tomorrow if I want to do that. Now I'm just going to actually sit and edit because I've been wanting to edit some videos for a while. update. It's currently 9:30 and I've just been sitting here editing for an hour or so. I actually don't know. My hair's still wet, but I feel like it's time to go down for a snack. Also, I put these really cozy pajama bottoms on. Also, I think I need to put some socks on because it is really chilly out. It's currently 6 degrees Celsius outside. Well, as you see, I like don't give a shit about how I look when I'm at home. Like, who does? Not even for this video. I used to be like, maybe it's because this is a vlog, but I'm usually like, I need to have a good outfit for my videos and just like make it look cute and stuff, but I want to be real. If this is vanilla ice cream, I'm gonna be so happy. Yes! There's like never a time when you open one of these and there's actually ice cream in it. Swedish things. Yum. My snack appetizer for the night. Yummy. Okay, it's 12 o'clock. I've been editing, watching YouTube and watching TV. Also just haven't had another snack. I was really craving crisps, but we didn't have any. So I think I was craving salt. So I had rice with soy sauce and a little bit of mayonnaise and some salt. It was actually really good, and now I'm not craving anything anymore. So now I'm gonna go brush my teeth and then head back into bed and hopefully fall asleep soon, because this is the time. I normally go to bed around this time, so that's normal for me. But yeah, I don't wake up very early either, so that's fine. Okay, also maybe you guys are interested in seeing how my hair turned out. This is how it turns out. There is a lot of like curls in my hair and some waves, but also some like real curls. I haven't done anything to it. I've just let it dry, and as you saw, put those products in it. I mean, it's not perfect because at the front it's like normal and then it's like very curly in some places. It's quite like uneven, but I still quite like my hair like this. I think it would be cuter if it was a little bit longer and like this. I also feel like I look like my cat. But yeah, I'm gonna lay down in my bed and scroll my phone and just fall asleep and put my alarm. I always put my alarm on the next morning. Like if I don't have anything to do, I still like to wake up at like 9 or 10ish. You guys are like, wow, that's so late. But yeah, that's what I do. So I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye.